Artist Retreat. This is my forest. I'm going to have a walk around. I went in there a couple of days ago, but this was literally chopped down, nothing here at all, and now these trees have regrown themselves. Look at that lovely twist and turn. That's the honeysuckle getting in there and makes these beautiful twists and turns. And now you can see how clear it is, and you can walk around easily inside. I'm going to go over to the big rock, which is really easy and accessible now. I need to really live here, I think, at some point, because I miss out on all the seasons and all the opportunities to grow things, to be part of this beautiful forest. And here we go. This is the fortress where Jay and I and Takumi, we did airsoft battles in here. And I was even thinking of making a kind of structure or something down here. And we can go up to the top of the big rock. But look at that view. I was here the other day towards evening and couldn't quite tell what it was. Probably deer, but further down the bottom of that hill I could hear some bigger animals moving through. Or it could have been boar, but they usually come out at night. But it's really nice. And those trees could be coppiced. That's all your supplies of wood. I can just finish my wood-fired central heating system. Look at this beautiful moss. So beautiful. And then there's this really impressive alcove in here, almost like a cave. Kind of want to do something with this at some point. Like some of those places in Thailand where they would use the rock and build straight into, use it as a back wall and have it as a nice platform. Oh, perhaps a nice platform just coming out, perfect for yoga. So definitely can walk around here now a lot more successfully. And this is all my forest. I love it, that the fact that I own something of extreme natural beauty. There's a holly tree just there, but also all those flights that I make, I've got my carbon sink. I actually worked it out, how much this forest can actually reclaim in terms of carbon, and the size that it is. And yeah, beautiful. There's some of the old dens and things we've made have just kind of rotted away now. That's kind of cute. And they've all just disappeared back into the forest. And there's so much wood here. Oh look, I do see an old sign here. I wonder what this says. Oh, a couple of old signs. Can't read them now. That's just as well. So, really nice to be. And I had a lovely couple of hours just wandering through. And there's so many animals in through here. Definitely saw badger sets and lots of boar tracks, and where they've been digging up roots and things. Yeah, but lots of forest school skills here, natural skills. wilderness skills. Yeah, it'd be a lovely place to bring kids. Anyway, I'm going to show you the meadow now. Cheers.